Army Recognition is visiting Texelis in Limoges, its main facility. Texelis is renowned for its mobility solutions and innovations. And Texelis is also involved in the Serval vehicle, which is one of the vehicles involved in the Scorpion program of the French Army.
Texelis is a mid-sized company and we are specialized in axles and mobility subsystems for heavy vehicles, and we focus on two activity sectors. One is the tramway and metro, and the second one is wheeled military vehicles. We are on board of probably 10 different programs, a lot of them being outside France, but one very significant in France, which is the Serval program, where we are co-contractors with Nexter for these 4x4 vehicles dedicated to the French Army. So our scope for the Serval is everything which is linked to the mobility, so from the wheels to the engines and the gearbox and the axles and battery and electronic monitoring of all this. The Serval contract has been notified and signed beginning of 2018, and we have a 4 years period for all the development, qualification, test, and the production ramp-up we start in early 2022. Full cruise production second half of 2022.
Texelis has some solid backgrounds and solid track records in the manufacturing of axles for the military vehicles. So, for example, as a track records, we've been supplying the complete driveline for VBCI for the complete program. Now the strategy is to expand geographically, so go and see outside of France, exploring Europe, Middle East, Asia, where we start to have some success in some certain fields. And we're also trying to expand in terms of product line, because starting from the business of pure axle, now our offer goes until complete chassis, complete rolling chassis and complete mobility solutions, which obviously include our axle, but also driveline components, steering system, cooling system, all these elements necessary for the mobility. Our footprint is mainly in France, so the production facility is here in Limoges. We have a commercial office in Lyon, engineering the office which is dedicated to the Serval project in Satori, Versailles, just nearby to our partner Nexter. We have some local partners in different countries which are, let's say, our heritage of our rail business. So every place where you have some Texelis rail equipment rolling, you would have a local dealer or local partner. We're trying to, as I said, we're trying to expand our scope of supply into more than procuring just axles and mobility, or axles and driveline components. So our aim is to be able to provide more complex systems, including maybe hybrid systems or hybrid motorization for vehicles, some electronic control system of the vehicles, remote control of the vehicles, all these kind of things that are in the air. I mean, for the defense industry, we obviously want to be part of this big trend, of this big change in industry.